Good morning, good morning. We are back on a new hike with a wonderful panorama. And we have a sunshine day. Yes, something different this summer. We all have eye rings because of waking up early in the morning. But look at the light. And look at the clouds. And soon the sun is coming over the hills. Wow. It looks like a fairy tale in like a forest in a movie. Huh? Yeah. The Hobbits or so. Wow. From the forest into the next corner of paradise. Oh, it's full of plants and all the plants are totally wet. So it's a kind of swimming in the plants. Wow. Wow, okay. Yeah, we're coming, baby. Yeah, we are here. First sun rays are here now. Ah, das sind so die schönsten Momente. These are the most beautiful moments. And we have to say good morning. We hiked up a little bit, about half an hour. It was steep, but this is the gift you get. Das ist nachher das Geschenk, das du bekommst. Ja. Es ist eben noch schwierig, den besten Hike zu küren. It is quite difficult to say this is the best hike in the area or this is the best hike, because all the hikes you can do here have its own magic. Es ist wirklich, sometimes I have tears in my eyes. Manchmal brüllst du einfach, weil es so schön ist. Ja, es ist wirklich schwierig zu sagen. It's difficult to say which is my favorite hike. Aber der zählt sicher, der ist in der Top 5. This one's in the top 5. The cows are on the Alps too. Grazing grass. Heißt das grazing grass? Ich glaube schon, oder? Well, they do not smoke it. Yeah, where is my dog? Woohoo! Don't. Yeah, Ali. Ah, good boy. Best hiking dog in the world. Ja, da bist du. Grüezi. Yes, we are again on the moody side of the mountain life. Aber es ist nicht minder schön. Huh? It's not less beautiful. This is mountain magic. Wow. Lecker, wo bist das schön. And you are the cream on the cake, Rasta. Yep. Yes, you are. We have a mother cow here. Rasta is on the leash. Oh, the baby. You see the baby? Oh my gosh. It's on the wrong side. Oh, Jesus God. Oh, this is a totally newborn one. Jesus. We are on the way back home now. And we have a wonderful panorama, huh? Ay, ay, ay. How can you not love it? Wow, you look so good, baby.